We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on an HP OfficeJet 9020 printer. Follow these steps and you'll do it. Guys, so the first step is going to be open the scanner lid to expose the glass. Then you want to have your favorite glass cleaner in a lint-free cloth. So what you want to do is put the glass cleaner directly on the cloth. You never want to put it on the glass as it could cause issues. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and clean the scanner glass. There might be marks on here from pens or whiteout, so if you do see that, then it's best to do it more than one time. Then if you're using the automatic document feeder, this part right here, to do your scanning and you see some defects, you want to focus mainly on this little strip of glass right here. But if you're using the flatbed, then focus on the bigger piece of glass. Alright, great. You successfully cleaned your scanner glass. If you're still seeing defects after cleaning it, you might need to put your printer in for service. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.